Hello world, welcome to Nature Fun Fact again. Today I'm bringing you to see one more farm, look a bit different. This is the farm of the long green melon. In previous video we were talking a bit about the male and female flowers, but it almost cannot tell because the flowers look pretty much similar, just tiny bit bigger around. But right here we are going to show you a bit more detail about the male and female flowers with the long green melons. Alright, let's go through. Have a look here. This is the female flowers. Female flower. And here the male flower. In just this shot, I think you could tell, right? You could see between what's different between the male and female flowers. So right here they got like big good thing at the bottom, but here they got thinner thing at the bottom. Right, I think everybody could understand what I mean, right? It's work the same with every plant, every vegetable plants. Every plant that creates a fruit always have the female and male flowers because the pollen will breathe by the winds or by the insect like bees or other flies extra, right? So the farmers using this net because we want them to climb. When they climb the net, they will have very straight fruit like over here, very straight and look beautiful, so greens right here. Like at the one here, they already on time to harvest. Look at that. But if we don't have this net, the color of this fruit or this long green melon doesn't look nice. They will just lay down on the ground and one side will turn to white and one side like the green. It doesn't look the beautiful, right? Let's check out with this one here. See, it's a bit different. White and green. White, green. It doesn't look that beautiful. At the marketplace or to eat them, we not really prefer this. It's okay to eat, but the whole green color is tasting a bit better. Oh yeah, something I want to show everybody here. These are the insects who bring the male pollen to meet the female pollen. These are the insects who enjoyed eating the pollen and also the sweet thing of the flowers. We got this, most of the flowers, they got very special sweet liquids and then they love to eat. Oh, look at this guy, they try to fight. Look down here. They try to fight. Oh, actually they're not fighting. Oh yeah, they're breeding. This, I'm sorry, you may not that clear, but this little insect are breeding. Could you see one male up on the top of the female, right? If you look carefully, you could see two heads. So yep, right. That's so beautiful. Right. So when this insect finish eating this male flowers, they will continue to eat the female flowers next door. Then the pollen will stuck in the female flowers and produce very beautiful fruit. Alright, that's it for this plant. Thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed and subscribe our channel for more videos later. Thank you. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye.